What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Still Standing Garage. We're back in here, and today I'm gonna be talking about the mask that I'm using and replacing the filters. So this is the mask that I'm using, the Gerson. I usually get it from Harbor Freight, but recently they've been out of stock at Harbor Freight due to the pandemic that's going on. So I'm gonna replace these filters. I'm gonna start right now, so let's do it. So first thing is, I'm gonna take off the cap here. And this is what I'm gonna be replacing, this right here. See how it's all saturated, it's busted, gotta toss it. And then this right here, I'm just gonna blow it off with some compressed air. Pretty much that's it. These right here are the filters. I bought these online from O'Reilly's and I had it delivered to O'Reilly's and I went to go pick it up. So this is what it is. It comes with a pack of 10. I believe I paid like 22 bucks. That was it. So I'm gonna replace it right now. I do want to replace the whole mask at one point, you know, because of all the sweating, all that nastiness. Probably TMI, you know, but it's what it is, you know. You sweat in there when you're sanding, painting, primering, whatever. These cartridges don't come off. They don't come off. They don't twist off. I used to use the 3M, but you know, these are a little bit more pricier. Like this one right here, and this one's old. I do have to toss it. You know, later on I'll probably invest some money and buy one of these again, because these, you could actually take it completely apart, you see, and then you clean this with warm water. But this already has like 1,000,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna toss it. But these could actually be replaced. You could replace the whole cartridge and you could replace the top here, you see. So I'm gonna continue using this. I'm just gonna replace that filter, this filter here, and then go from there. And this is how we're gonna do it. So it goes with the numbers in. And that's it right there, ready to go. Ready to go again, a couple more rounds. But I am gonna go to Harbor Freight again and see if they stocked up, and if they didn't, then I am gonna have to go on Amazon or somewhere online to go buy another one, because I do wanna replace it eventually. I don't wanna keep breathing in all that nastiness of, you know, my own sweat and stuff like that. I do clean it off with like some rags, not rags, paper towels. That's it for this video. If you're a new viewer, go hit that subscribe, like button. I am posting or uploading videos on this monte over here that I'm working on. I'm gonna try to start posting or uploading videos on Wednesdays about, you know, tooling and possibly, you know, my garage and what I'm doing in my garage, you know, things like that, of that sort. And then I'm gonna stick to Fridays just being about the car and just posting or uploading about the car. Let's go.